Oh my goodness, Spore Binance token holders. Today video is going to be session for Spore Binance token holder, because this time you can see here 35.11% they fails down and just in last 24 hour. So definitely very bad false change occur, my friend. And what we do, sell, hold or buy, what's the next target in upcoming days? They go up like a rocket or they fails down very badly change occur, my friend. This time because here they fails down. So what we do in this critical situation? But first of all, my friend, I request you to please, before watch this video, don't sell it, don't hold it, okay? Please watch, keep watch this video to understand in upcoming days they go up or they fails down, what we do. Okay, so please, before I start this video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, click out the red button for all latest news and updates. I guide you, my friend, every time I guide you. Please like this video, subscribe this channel. Okay, this time you can see here the price is 0.0001 US dollar as the price of one Spore Finance coin token, my friend. So very small, very cheap price, my friend, this time on the Spore Finance token. But definitely, my friend, you can see here this time the market cap is cannot show why is there or no market. So let's see. Okay, fully diluted market cap, if you check out 35.11% they fails down, and volume of last 24 hour at 71.24% fails down. So what's the reason to they fails down, my friend? I also should tell you and this at the in this video, my friend. But first of all, if we check out the chart, my friend, of last 24 hour, then definitely you could see here they fails down. Why they fails down, I told you, my friend. Okay, this time you can see here after a very big jump, my friend, especially you can see here this time they take a jump like a rocket. After this jump they fails down very fastly and they come down to very big fall, my friend. They fails down. So this time you can see here after this fails they also take a jump. I know after this fails they take a jump and they go and the moon straightly. But if you check out this triangle is completely and the negative, and they cross the resistance line. This line is the resistance line, my friend. They cross the resistance line, and here is a negative. You can see here very bad fails. So this is on the loss, they cannot give you a profit. If they cross the resistance line, they definitely, my friends, they starting profit and the price is increased now. But definitely if they cross the resistance line, fails down, then they cannot give you a good profit. They fails down more and more. So my friend, this time you can see here the price is also increased now, and this time if we check out, they more and more fails down. So what we do in this current situation, you can see here this time they starting moving up, or they starting fails down completely, they starting fails down, my friend. So what we do, I think if you starting selling and this time they fails down more and more and they cannot moving up like a rocket. But if you hold it, if you just hold it, and if you want to invest in Spore Finance, then exactly, my friend, this time is good for you because the price is very cheap. You can see here 0.0001 US dollar, very cheapest price coin, my friend, and this time in the viral coin, my friend, especially viral coin. But I can't believe this, the result has gone bad, my friend, just and this week, my friend, especially not just this week, just in the last 24 hour or 40 hour, my friend, this starting fails down. But definitely, my friend, you know today gone off like a rocket in and 1 week fast, my friend. They're going like a rocket. Especially every coin gone like a rocket and the last week before because this is the end of a fail. So every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket, and especially, my friend, the Dogecoin one is the viral coin, my friend. This time very under trend on the coin and very cheap price, my friend. So if you want to invest in Dogecoin, absolutely you are good, my friend. This is very good coin for all of you and very cheapest coin. But if you want to invest, then please research personally. I cannot advise you, my friend. This is just I advise you, my friend. I cannot tell you to go and invest. Please research personally. This is good for you, my friend. This time you can see here the Spore Finance coin is completely moving off like rocket in the previous 7 days. The viral coin, you can see here that when they take a high jump, then people starting buying, exactly, people starting buying. But after this jump, my friend, you can see here this is very cheap price. So after this jump they fails down very fastly, my friend, and people started selling. So they've come again this point, my friend, and they completely falls down more and more. So if you are a new holder in a crypto market, I think, my friend, definitely you know to what's which style they're moving up. So my friend, every cryptocurrency is moving like a snake. They go up and they fails down. After a jump they fails down, and after a fail they take a jump. You can see here every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation, and this time you can see here they also very shortly, my friend, but they moving in this circulation. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. So this time also you can see here after a fails they take a jump, after a fails they take a jump. They take a short fail, short jumps, but they also, or definitely they, after a jump fails they take a jump, my friend. So they moving in this circulation. You can see here they completely fails down, they completely fails down. And I think if they go like that, then absolutely Spore Finance coin as cannot give you a good profit, and they are and completely in the loss. But definitely remember, my friend, this one thing what I talk you at the end of this video, to after a very bad fails they also take a jump, they also take a jump. So I think in a good time is coming soon. But if they cross the resistance line one time again, then I hope they go off like a rocket and we are completely go in the moon. So definitely the good time is coming soon. Spore Finance coin holder, please try to understand what I talk you. Please hold it, please hold it. This time because here they already fails down, so you are in the loss. So if you sell at this time, they cannot give you a profit, you are in the loss. So finally the decision is that to please hold it, and if you want to invest, then please don't invest more. Please and wait for a good time. If they're starting going off, then absolutely you invest and make a money, my friend, and Spore Finance coin. But please, definitely this is not a time to you invest, because they cannot take a jump. I can't believe it too. If they fails down more, then they come to zero, my friend. So please hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they give you a good profit. Please, my expectation is very good from Spore Finance. So I hope in upcoming days they're going up. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.